Welcome back. Today we're baking a boozy blueberry cobbler that's going to knock your socks off. Let's start with fresh blueberries, which I've already washed and dried. And because we're all about elevating flavors here, I'm tossing these little guys with a half a cup of sugar and a few generous tablespoons of brandy. Trust me, it's a game changer. I let the blueberries macerate in the refrigerator for about 2 hours to get them wonderfully boozy and bursting with flavor. This little trick pulls out all the juices and intensifies everything that's awesome about blueberries. Now let's prep our pan. I'm placing a whole stick of butter into my 2-quart baking dish and popping it into the oven at 350 to melt. Just make sure not to let it burn while we get our cobbler batter ready. In a medium bowl, I'm combining flour and sugar, then adding baking powder, cinnamon, pumpkin spice, nutmeg, and salt, and whisked to combine. Then I poured in a cup of whole milk and whisked it gently. We want it just combined. Keep it nice and smooth. All right, our butter should be melted by now. I'm taking the dish out of the oven carefully because it's hot. Then I poured the batter right over that golden pool of butter. But here's the secret: no stirring. Next, I spoon those boozy blueberries all over the batter. Again, no stirring. We're building beautiful layers here that'll bake up into crispy golden perfection. Into the oven it goes for about 45 minutes to an hour. You're looking for a beautiful golden crust that's just irresistible. Let it cool just a bit before serving, then scoop it into your favorite ramekins. I've got these adorable time and table ones. Top with a couple of scoops of ice cream because, let's be honest, that's the best way to enjoy this warm, comforting dessert. And there you have it, a recipe that includes brandy-infused blueberries nestled beneath a golden spiced crust. This cobbler is the epitome of comfort in every bite. If you loved watching this recipe come together, hit that like button and subscribe for more yummy treats. There's a link to the full recipe in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.